just ate authentic Japanese Tsukemen Ox Bone Ramen in Westlake Village. For those that don't know what Tsukemen is, Tsukemen in Japanese means dipping noodles. Tsukemen is a ramen dish where thick ramen noodles are served separately from a rich, concentrated, thick broth, and the noodles are dipped into the broth before eating. The broth is typically more concentrated and intense than standard ramen broth and can include ingredients like dashi, pork, chicken, and seafood. Tsukemen is a type of ramen where noodles, usually thick, chewy, and often served chilled, but in my case at Ox Bone Ramen in Westlake Village, was served to me warm into a separate bowl of a flavorful, often soup. You dip the noodles into a hot, concentrated broth and then slurp your Tsukemen ramen noodles. The dish was invented in 1961, literally by the ramen god, restaurant owner named Kazuo Yamagishi from Tokyo, Japan, who is no longer with us today, but his Tsukemen ramen legacy lives on through the love of Tsukemen ramen noodles and ramen lovers like all of us. Tsukemen has gained popularity both in Japan and internationally, including the United States. You can find different variations of Tsukemen, including miso-based or salt-based broth, and with various toppings. And at Ox Bone Ramen, the Tsukemen dipping ramen noodles came with brisket, scallions, red onions, bean sprouts, bamboo, fried garlic, sesame, seaweed, green onions, and red onions, and that delicious egg. For starters, we got the open-faced spicy tuna hand roll with sesame, asago, and green onions. Then the open bao bun with a spicy braised brisket with fiery pepper sauce, along with the cucumber, scallions, and sesame seeds. Oh yes, the miso eggplant with sesame chives, chili, pepper, and yuzu miso sauce. Yeah. Now, Mr. 8 enjoyed the spicy miso ramen. And like any ramen, it was everything in one dish. Now, my dish was Tsukemen, where you actually have the bowl of ramen and the broth, and so it came with two bowls. Anywho, after finishing the noodles, we both brought our broths home to make another bowl of ramen at home by literally adding noodles to it at home. Just had to be real because that is something my Okinawa grandma has taught us. It's like you never leave a grain of rice anywhere and never throw away good authentic broth, especially when you can taste the flavors with the labor of love that went into making this amazing Tsukemen ramen or just ramen broth. Here's the deal of the day if you're wanting to try Ox Bone Ramen in Westlake Village. Ox Bone Ramen offers happy hour menu. Sugoi! Happy hour menu. The times to have a happy hour is 5 to 7 p.m. and dine-in only. Happy hour is available for a limited time until the end of September. So please note that the end date is subject to change so you can enjoy a bowl of ramen along with other goodies and not break the bank. Okay. So Ox Bone Ramen's information and the link is in the description down below. And yeah, I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below.
You're still here? Let me tell you, when you get your ticket, when you're about to pay, they're going to give you these cookies. Now, when we went, they gave us these cookies. And it was really nice because after having a bowl of Tsukemen ramen or just any kind of ramen, you have like tasty palate, right? And the cookies are actually my kind of sweet. Anyway, these are childhood cookies, so it just brought back childhood memories for me, and I thought that was really nice. Anyway, just wanted to let you know, just in case, if you ever have a chance to visit Ox Bone Ramen in Westlake Village. And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.